Hi guys, Penny Rose Journals, how you doing? Okay, we are back in the box today. I've tidied up my desk and the box is refilled. So here we have it. It's a little bit more than refilled. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do in here today. There's lots of bits of scrap cardboard and stuff, so I'm probably just going to use some of that. I don't really know what the plan is. We'll just sort of play it by ear as we usually do, and hopefully we can come up with something worth watching. Yeah, like I say, bits of covers of magazines and stuff. That white piece I think is where we go today. That is the an offcut from a brochure holder. So it's been sitting on my desk for a couple of weeks now, and I find it super annoying. So it doesn't really have any sort of purpose. I'm going to give it one today and get it off my desk. So hopefully we can find some things in here to use, and other than that we'll just use whatever's in the scrap drawer. After a bit of pondering, I decided to go with just a little brochure holder of my own, just much smaller. So I am just going to cut little V's out of these folds so that yeah, when it folds up together, there's nothing in the fold. Just helps it to close better. And then we're going to do something about sort of covering it a bit so that it's not just a white piece of card. It's quite shiny on the outside, so I'm going to cover that and maybe cover the inside. I think on the one that I do here, I cover the inside. I do another one later and show you photos at the end of both of them. The one I did later, I did not bother to cover the inside. It's quite matte on the inside, so. But anyway, yeah. I end up doing both of them, but just one of them on camera. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to make this a little brochure folder out of this big brochure folder. I have a lot of scraps of dictionary page and encyclopedia page and that sort of thing in my drawer here at the moment. So I decided I was just going to cover the outside with these, and yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to glue them on with some glue stick and just use them to cover the shiny surface on the outside. Once this is done, it'll take ink really nicely if you fancy inking it, or whatever you want to do. But yeah, just gets rid of that shiny. I'm just not a big fan of shiny, to be honest. I'm just going to stick these flaps down with a little bit of this acetone-based glue. It dries very quickly, so it won't take too long to get things finished, but because the card is sort of stiff, it's not keen on staying shut while it dries. You could clamp the corners with little bulldog clips or something, but I'm just going to pop it on my mat. The weight of the mat will hold it shut while it just dries nicely. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to decorate the front of it very simply. Just so basically a little finished project. Once I've done this one, I will go off camera, finish the second one, and I'll show you some photos of the two of them at the end. Both decorated sort of in a very similar fashion. Very simply, and just something interesting to pop in a journal. No real purpose, just getting that piece of rubbish off my desk that's been sitting there for about 2 weeks, and I'm so glad to see it go. There are a couple of these sort of postage stamps that are cut out of a stamp catalogue floating around in that box, so I'm just going to use one of those to decorate these little tags that also came out of the box very simply, because they fit in these little folders quite nicely. So yeah, using up quite a few things out of that box, which is a good day. And there we go, that's it. Thanks for spending your time with me today, guys. I appreciate your company as I always do. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you again next time. Bye.